Good morning. Today I am going to speak about two Asian buildings in Tamil Nadu. The first is Padmanabhapuram Palace. It is located close to the town of Takkale in Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. It is 20 kilometers from Nagercoil and about 60 kilometers from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Unique rooms. The Padmanabhapuram Palace complex consists of several structures. Mandarasala, the King's Council Chamber. Thai Kottaram, constructed before 1550. Nadagasala, the Performance Hall, a four-storied mansion at the center of the complex. Dati Kottaram, the Southern Palace. The Southern Palace serves as a heritage museum, exhibiting antique household articles and curios. Collecting of items give an insight into the social and cultural ethos of that period. Construction. The palace was constructed around 6001 CE by Kulasekara Perumal between 1592 and 1609. Founder of modern Travancore is King Marthandavarma between 1706 to 1758. King Marthandavarma dedicates the kingdom to his family deity Sri Padmanatha, hence the name Padmanabhapuram or city of Lord Padmanatha. In the late 18th century, the capital of the Travancore was shifted from here to Thiruvananthapuram, and the palace lost its former glory. Udayagiri Fort. It is located 14 kilometers from Nagercoil in Takkale town, Kanyakumari district. This was the most important military barracks of the Travancore rules when Padmanabhapuram was the capital. History. Built in the 17th century, the fort was rebuilt by Maharaj Marthandavarma of Travancore in the 18th century, enclosing an area of about 90 acres. The fort contains an old foundry which was used for casting guns. In the early days, the fort was of strategic importance. Prisoners captured in the campaign against Tipu Sultan were confined in the fort for some time. In late years, English East India Company troops were stationed at the fort until the middle of the 19th century. The foundry for the manufacture of guns, mortars and cannonballs was exhibiting within the fort under the supervision of the Resident General. Architecture. The fort was built of massive granite blocks around an isolated hillock. Recently, officials of the Department of Archaeology found a tunnel within the fort. Presently, the fort has been turned into a biodiversity park by the Tamil Nadu Forest Department, which sites of historical importance such as D. Illinois Storm remaining as protected archaeological sites under the Archaeological Department of India. Thank you.